guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Saturday evening 5:30. आज चलेंगे हम लोग सहारा मॉल जो कि शारजा और दुबई के बॉर्डर पे है। और इस वीकेंड हम लोग सिर्फ पास में ही जा रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट वीकेंड अभी लॉन्ग वीकेंड आएगा दुबई में, तब हम लोग अच्छी अच्छी प्लेसेस एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। तब मैं कुछ अच्छे अच्छे व्लॉग्स आपके लिए लेकर आऊँगी। तब तक के आप इस व्लॉग का मज़ा लीजिए, बने रहिए इस व्लॉग में एंड तक के। आज मैं आपको लेकर चलती हूँ सहारा मॉल। लेट्स गो। So here are my two little sweet potatoes. This is Vani and this side is Rhythm. Say hello, Rhythm.
Hello.
Both of them enjoying their fruit time. Yeah?
Yeah.
How's apple? Sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet?
Juicy.
Juicy? Oh wow. So yes guys, we reached our destination. This is Sahara Mall and we are this side Dubai and that side is Sharjah side. So we'll have to cross this border. We'll park our car wherever we'll get parking and then we'll cross the road, cross this, we need to cross from this side and then we'll able to reach to that mall. And here have a look on beautiful sunset. This sunrise sunset every day gives us a new hopes, like whatever the darker will definitely go and whatever the brighter will definitely comes once. And this double decker bus जिसे हम बचपन में बहुत देखकर एक ख्वाहिश होती थी, and here finally this wish fulfilled. So after long waiting, we never got parking this Dubai side. So we planned to go directly to the mall. So we crossed the border and we entered in the Sharjah side and we parked our car to Sahara Mall only. So here we reached finally to Sahara Center Mall. So we are at the basement parking and because of weekend, parking is almost full. So it's a little bit waiting for car parking. But luckily we got it almost. So as we entered in the mall, we found a lot of crowd because the vacation, summer vacation is about to begin in Dubai and already it's like Eid, the holiday also declared. So a lot of rush because people are traveling to their home countries. So a lot of shopping, a lot of crazy things. Because of that, too much crowds in each and every other mall and because of a lot of offers also. So here we buy some toys as a gifts for Rhythm and Mani's friend, as Rhythm and Mani is going to attend his friend's birthday party. And here kids started feeling hungry and they already finished fruits which they bought from home. So now they always, whenever they go outside or some malls, they always demand for ice cream and donuts is their favorite thing. So here they want to buy some donuts and Papa bought them some donuts for them and they both are enjoying here their sweet time, Rhythm and Vani. And after this now we wind up with our all the tasks from the mall. So we are about to leave from here. This is one of the biggest mall in Sharjah, Sahara Mall. and there you'll get each and everything in a very reasonable price. And the most important thing here, you will get a lot of options. Like in few malls, you'll get like a selected options, but in Sahara Mall, lot of shops are there, so you'll get the number of options for one thing. So if you are finally we are done with our stuff from the mall, and now we are going like it's around 9 quarter to 10. It's like 2 hours almost we spend in this mall, and 2 to 3 hours, and now we are going for dinner. Let's have some crunchy and tasty dosa, and let's go there. So finally here we reached to the restaurant, and we order a pepper roast dosa, and we all are enjoying this crispy dosa. So here I'm done with my all cleaning and dusting, and now this is my lunch time. So today I'll cook some easy food like chole puri. It's simple. Like for me it's very easy. I won't feel cooking chole and puri is a burden, any kind of burden. So weekend special lazy day. So I'll make chole, and I'll cook here chole and puri with some salad. That's it. This is only my today's lunch. So here I mixed all the masalas with tomato, onion, garlic puree, all like jaggery powder, garam masala, and all kind of masalas I added here already. And now I'll add some chola and water and take 4 to 5 whistles. Here I'll make a dough for puris. For crispy puri, I only took that wheat flour pure, and added some 1 spoon of salt in that, and with the help of water we'll make a nice soft dough. So here we'll spray some oil and make this dough get settled for a few minutes, for like 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we'll make a small balls from this dough. So here is our food is ready to serve. Just final touch up, then we'll serve plates. So this is all about my today's vlog, guys. If you love my vlog, so please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.